Hi little friends, I'm your friend Sheetal and welcome back to our learning house. Today we are learning something super duper important. Can you guess? Can you guess? Eat chocolate? We are going to learn how to wash our hands so they are clean, shiny and germ-free. Let's go! Yay! I'm a germ on your hand. If you don't wash, I will go into your tummy and make you see. Oh no! What should I do now? Don't worry, there is a magic trick. Just wash your hands. Let's sing the hand wash song with me. Yay! Wash, wash, wash your hands. Rub them here and there. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Rub them here and there. Rub the bubbles, wash the germs. Now they are clean and fair. Scrub the bubbles, wash the germs. Now they are clean and fair. Great job, kids. Let's clap for yourselves. Yay! Yay! It's a game time. I will show you something and you shout yes.
Yes!
If we need to wash our hands after it or no.
Nope.
If not. After playing in the garden. Yes, kids. After playing in the garden. Yay! Yes! We need to wash our hands. After eating an ice cream. Yes. After eating an ice cream. Yay!
Yes!
We need to wash our hands.
Wow!
While sleeping in bed. No need to wash our hands.
Nani?
After using toilet. Tell me, kids. Yes. We need to wash our hands. After painting with colors. Yes, we need to wash our hands. Yay! Let's clap. Hooray! You all are hand wash superheroes. Wow, friends! Today we have learned always wash your hands before eating, after playing and after using toilet. This keeps you healthy and strong. I will wash my hands every day. Will you? Great job, kids! If you liked learning with us, clap your clean hands and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye, my little superheroes.